Today we are unboxing a product from iSight, the Vivo Y500. The appearance of this phone is somewhat square, slightly resembling a flagship phone, especially with its impressive primary camera. The color extends from the back cover to the plastic middle frame, looking quite coordinated. The back cover has a slight matte finish, so it feels quite nice to the touch. A weight of 213 grams houses an 8,200 mAh battery, which is quite an impressive figure. The front looks like a full-body four-curve surface, so visually it is quite striking. Although its resolution is only 1080p+, the clarity is still quite good. It also offers a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling. In terms of the processor, it features the Dimensity 7300, which is relatively unfamiliar to everyone. The benchmark score is around 740,000, which is not very high, but its support for gaming is quite decent. For a game like Honor of Kings, it directly offers 90 frames per second and provides ultra-high resolution, so when you play this game, it is quite clear.
According to Shiningdog's data, the average frame rate of this phone can reach 89.3, which is quite smooth. If the requirements are not particularly high, this phone can handle playing Honor of Kings without any pressure. Additionally, this phone offers on-screen fingerprint recognition, which is somewhat unexpected. Most importantly, this phone offers an 8,200 mAh battery, which is larger than the previous Y300 Pro Plus. So when watching short videos, its battery life is slightly longer than the Y300 Pro Plus, reaching around 28 hours. Additionally, this phone supports full-level dust and water resistance, making it a relatively durable product.
If your performance requirements are not very high and the price is quite reasonable, plus it has a large durable battery, then this phone is quite suitable for you.